of this investing updates. We'll hop right into it with our portfolio. I just want to give a quick introduction. So thank you for watching. If you are, we'll flip over. Alrighty. So yeah, the portfolio is gone. It went up a little on Friday. Obviously, the market went up marginally, as you can see, 1.5%. I'll pop into that real quick. It's a little more than that. It was like a little over $600 on the day, which is pretty decent considering everything in recent days. I did pick up a good amount of shares, so I purchased a share of Starbucks, $75. That is fantastic in my opinion. Really excited to pick those up. 3 shares of AT&T and a share of AbbVie. My AbbVie share was higher than my average cost, but it's gone down a good chunk, and I felt it was okay to invest in that a little bit. So I purchased a share, and I'm pretty confident in the company overall. Really great financials, great growth history, not just on the financials end, but on the dividend end as well, which really gives me a lot of confidence in AbbVie. So really happy to buy another share of them. That does bring our total dividend income up to $1,332.52, which is pretty cool. We got a few coming up here, AbbVie as well, Cat, and I'm not sure if, no, that's the week after. So just these two. Unfortunately, the market pulled up a little on Friday, like I said, so I won't be getting as much AbbVie as I would have earlier in the week, but that's just how it is. That's how things go. That's okay. And then we also got a dividend yesterday, I think, or it might have been today. Yeah, it was today. So one from Magellan Midstream Partners for $10.92. That I just took as cash, and Realty Income, which was reinvested back into Realty Income. And the nice part about the companies going down as well, again, like I was saying, is that dividend went a little further. So that 289 got me like 0.04 of a Realty Income versus the usual like 0.03 or 0.02, which is great. And then if we go to the top earners here, not much change. On the negative end, though, we have Orion, Starbucks, Utz, 3M, Unilever, Verizon, AT&T, Corning, Eastman, and IBM, all in the negatives. Hopefully, we'll see actually a few more seep into this negative territory, but we'll see how the market goes. I'm hoping this negative streak in the market kind of continues so I can continue to average down my positions and a lot more. Simon Property Group raised their dividend as well by 3%, which is okay. It's still pretty far off from their pre-pandemic high of $2.10, but as you can see, they're working up to it again. They've been raising it almost every quarter now. Besides the last quarter, it's been going up. So I'm confident they'll get back to that 210 probably in a year or two, or even sooner possibly if we see some bigger jumps like September to December quarter. But we'll see. I'm not too worried about it. I only have like a pretty minority stake in terms of my portfolio there. In terms of diversification, we'll hop into that real quick. So not too much going on here. AT&T is climbing up, and it's probably going to pop back into this top income sources again soon, but it hasn't gotten to that point yet. I'm going to probably say by next week we might see AT&T in the bottom tier here again, which is kind of a harkening back to the old times when AT&T was at the top here. But we have UGI, AbbVie, Starbucks, McDonald's, IBM, and 3M all in the 5 or above category. But that's pretty much everything that's going on as of now. No super big changes. Just kind of waiting to see where the market moves in terms of next week. I don't know if I usually buy on Mondays, but I'm probably going to wait this coming week to see if the market falls down a bit. It's not to say I'm like timing the market, but my feeling is that the negative attitude isn't over yet. So I figure it's probably best just to wait for now and see what happens like Tuesday or Wednesday, and maybe I can just kind of save a few bucks. But that's pretty much everything going on. If you do have any suggestions for me, comments, please leave them in the comment section. Appreciate you watching. You have a good rest of your week and a good weekend. Bye-bye.